To deposit cash in a US Bank ATM, begin by gathering your US Bank debit card and the cash you wish to deposit. Next, locate the nearest US Bank branch and find an available ATM. Start by tapping your debit card on the contactless sign. Then wait a few seconds before entering your PIN and selecting the main menu. After a brief moment, the main menu will appear, and you can choose the Make a Deposit option. You will then be prompted to select the type of deposit you are making. In this case, cash. Choose the account where you would like to deposit the funds, and then insert your bills into the designated slot. The ATM will count your cash and prompt you to review the deposit summary. Once you are satisfied, tap Complete Deposit and you will be given the option to print a receipt. Upon doing so, your deposit will be complete.